I read the book Out of My Mind by Sharon M. Draper. This book was about a young Melody Brooks who was born with cerebral palsy and bound to a wheelchair. She had very limited movement and and most of it was in her fingertips. This made communicating with her family very difficult because she could not talk. She can't take herself to the bathroom. She can't feed herself. She is very codependent on her family and aides at school. She feels trapped in her mind because she's so smart on the inside and is able to recall information and tell jokes and really be a normal kid. But a lot of people on the outside treat her as if she's an infant. So she was upset and decided to go get a MediTalker, which was thankfully covered by her insurance, which has a lot of pre installed words, phrases, she can also add to it, and it will speak for her. For the first time ever, she's able to tell her family that she loves them and that she's thankful for them, and she's also able to show the whole world how smart she truly is. She calls her MediTalker Elvira. Now that has her MediTalker and she's able to communicate with the world around her, she decides to try out for her academic team at her school and ends up making it, although a lot of the kids are unhappy with it and really don't believe that Melody is smarter than how she looks on the outside. Fortunately, though, she takes them to the championships where, unfortunately, they end up leaving her behind because they didn't tell her that the flight changed. And this really hurt Melody's feelings a lot. After one bad event to the next, Melody is really upset, and to see how this book ends, you will have to read Out of My Mind because I'm trying not to give away too much of it right now. I really recommend this to all teachers because it really shows you not to judge a book by its cover. I also really recommend this book to special ed teachers because it gives you an insight to maybe how one is feeling and how a student is feeling, although they can't really express it. Thank you.